Perfect day, hey? Here we are out on mates rates. Ian's put us onto the fish. Not going to.
Pressure's on.
Beautiful day. First fish, big cod unfortunately. He's a real big cod.
Come up from deep, so it's had his eyes popped out.
Yeah, his eyes are gone. Can't release these unfortunately, but he's monster cod. Massive.
That's it.
Go Mark. Beautiful little tiger shark. You don't see that every day?
I've never ever seen a tiger shark.
That's a tiger shark, Ryan. Wow.
Really?
He's all wrapped up now. That's it. Give us a
Keep got to roll the same way.
yeah, he's gone for your grinner, taking your grinner. Alright, we'll have a closer look at him. He's awesome. Watch your feet. We'll get a good look at this one. Little baby tiger shark. Don't get to see these too often. Right, he's not happy. Shark wrestler Ian Meads. Look at those baby stripes. Awesome. More distinct than the young ones.
Is that?
Yeah, you stay there, Ryan.
Down out of my suit.
Yeah, on the took the grinner.
That's your feet, dude. Marky. Now what are we going to do?
Okay, being extra careful here. Yeah, awesome.
Tiger's pretty rare.
Little baby, eh? Okay, well, let's let him go.
Oh no, let him go.
Yeah. He's away.
He's gone. Whew. What the hell was that all about? Excellent. You got a big one there, Ryan?
Yep. Let's go up.
How big? Go, buddy. Oh, we got colour. What do you got, Ryan? On the big snapper winch, it's a big one. Big trevally, mate. Woo!
Jesus, that was heavy.
Yay!
My arm broke off.
Good work, yeah. Hey, well done, Ryan. Here we go, three-way. Steve's on, Mark's on, Ian's on.
Right out of the corner, Ryan.
Big trevally. Big trevally.
Whoa!
Lines everywhere.
Big golden
Line,
trevally.
that's not yours, but
That's a cracker golden, mate. Good workout.
yeah, it was a good workout. 50 metres of water, big wind up.
Okay, you gonna let him go for us?
Watch out, Ryan.
Okay, kiss and release. Kiss him, Ryan.
There you go.
Go. Meanwhile, they're still going out the back here. Woohoo! Oh, let them go then, and
Rod.
there goes Wayne's rod.
That's Mark's rod, that one.
Sorry, Mark's rod. Now, what do you got? What's going on there, guys? Line's under.
You've got three runners, I've seen it done with one.
Another big golder.
Here we go. Slow golden.
Big bludger. Jeez, that's a big bludger.
That's a massive bludger.
Yeehaw!
Oh, well done. He's a horse.
Got it?
Another big trevally, golden trevally, and a bludger. And what's Mark got?
Oh no, half a rod. That's half a rod.
Okay, more colour out wide.
More silver.
Not red. Another big, that's another monster golden.
You don't want this fella? No. No.
Yeah, let him go. Go on, see you later. And another big golden. Big triple hook up on trevallies. That's a monster golden. You don't get much bigger than that. Alright. Okay, we're going to let him go now. Goldens actually are alright for eating, but probably not when they get this big. We'll let him go. Okay, spear him in and away he goes.
See you, buddy.
Good.
Gone. 50. What do you go, mate?
50.
Little bit of a love bite. 5 centimetres short. He's a little bit scrap happy. Oh. Yeah, 50, a bit undersized. Shark. Gave him a love bite on the way back. Okay.
Let him go.
Let's see if we can swim faster than a shark.
He's out the back there.
Just. Okay. Oh, he's well over there, eh? He might make it down. He might be lucky. Here we are, just trolling around Parker. The next generation. Oh, screamer. Still going, there's a good fish. That's it. Oh, big run, still going. Taking a lot of line.
How much can drag up on this one, eh?
No, just leave it there, mate, leave it there. Yeah, it's on the strike, that's fine. Okay, that big run's always a big one. Okay. Pump and wine.
He's taking more.
Still going.
Come on then, stop, big fella.
That is a good fish. Here we go. Time to chase.
You tell me if I'm going.
We got colour.
Alright. Oh, got him, Yellowfin. You beauty.
Get him in the boat.
Quick in the boat. Ah,
Yellowfin.
Yellowfin. Woohoo!
Unbelievable. I wonder we went like the clappers.
Yeah, not wrong.
Well done, mate.
Well done.
Mate.
Don't get too many of them this time.
Yeehaw.
Yeah, hey, Yellowfin.
Oh.
Alright, she's alright. Good fish. What do you reckon of that one?
Yeah, pretty big yellowfin.
Oh.
I reckon 20 kilos.
20 kilos. Okay, just running a wog here on the port side, starboard side, and we got a X-Rap 30 in the middle. Deep diver in the middle, in close. Oh, big double hook up.
Nice one, Spanish mackerel or yellowfin or
Say what, get calling, I'll just keep winding.
tuna.
Tuna. Okay, let's see.
They're mixed up, eh? Spanish mackerel.
Spanish! Finally! It's a good size Spanish.
Here he comes.
Well, he's only
Oh, watch his head. Watch his head. All right, good Spanish.
another Spanish, even a bigger one.
Yay! About an inch behind the ice.
Out there?
Yeah, should have got him in it. Double header on the wogs. What was it?
One yellowfin and 2 Spanish mackerel.
All right. Good day, Ryan.
Yep.